When building a network, two questions matter most. How easily can it grow, and how likely is it to fail? These are known as scalability and reliability. The topology you choose, the physical or logical layout of your devices, will define both. Let's see how the most common topologies stack up. Star topology is moderately scalable. You can add new employees' computers simply by connecting them to the central switch. However, that switch is a potential bottleneck. If it reaches capacity, growth stops. In terms of reliability, it's quite strong. If one cable or device fails, only that device loses its connection. But beware, if the central switch fails, the entire network goes dark. Bus topology is not highly scalable. Adding more devices leads to signal degradation as electrical signals must travel the entire length of the bus. It's also less reliable. Because there is only one main path, a single break in that cable can disrupt the entire network. This is why older Ethernet networks that used this layout required signal repeaters just to stay functional. Ring topology is moderately scalable, but adding nodes becomes complex as the network grows. However, it can be highly reliable, especially if data can travel in both directions. In a token ring network, if one device fails, the rest can often continue to communicate, though a cable segment failure might still disrupt the entire ring. If you want high scalability, mesh is the answer. Devices can be added with ease, and multiple paths reduce congestion. It is also highly reliable. The redundancy of multiple paths ensures that if one route fails, data takes an alternative route, minimizing downtime. This is why large data centers and cloud networks rely on mesh topologies. Finally, hybrid topologies can be highly scalable by combining the strengths of multiple layouts. Their reliability varies based on the components. For example, a large enterprise might use a star topology for easy management in office branches, combined with a mesh topology in their data centers for maximum redundancy. There is no perfect topology, only the one that fits your needs for growth and stability. Did this help you understand network design? Hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of IT.